Annyeonghaseyo! So I am Lilith Imnida. So for today, I just want to introduce my family and let's tour my house. So first, I just want to introduce my family. We are 8 siblings. First is brother. He is 31 years old. He's married. And I am the number 2. I am 28 years old and I'm also married. So they have number 3 is a boy. He is 26 years old and he also have family. And then the 4th is she is girl. She's already married and then she have a family. And then the number 5 is Christopher is not here because he have a work already. So today I cannot video that my brother because not here. So the number 6 is Christelle, girl. She already have a partner. There is a live-in partner. And she is 18 years old. And then the number 7 is Kelvin. He is 16 years old and a grade 7 student. And then the number 8, the last boy. And he is 13 years old and grade 5 student. So, let's go! 안녕하세요! 감사합니다. 자, 안녕하세요! Dali! So first, I just want to introduce you my hubby. He is 31 years old and he have a work, construction worker in Sikyong Village. And my younger brother, number 8. How old are you, be? 13 years old. And he is a grade 5 student. So, next is Kelvin. He is 16 years old and a grade 7 student. Kumusta man mong duha nag-eskwela? Kira. Kumusta ang imong grado dong?
Wagsak.
How's your grades? No, wala siya bagsak. And Kelvin, he have a highest score. Highest score is 80 plus. I'm so happy for that, okay? And then, my grandmother. Oh. Gwapa ba? Gwapa. Sarangheyo! She is 78 years old and then she have a many grandchildren. So, tinawa lang ako sa siya kagwapa, sexy, oh.
Bisan bati.
Uy, kagwapa, na, oh. Smell sabi. Ano ba? Sarangheyo. Sarangheyo. Ano ba? Smile ba? Okay. And I am just happy that there is my family beside me. Okay, and then next is I just want to introduce my house. So the one who built this house is Chilsung Jintin Jangnim Nomokamsahamnida. And the first room that I just want to introduce you is here. Actually, this room is from my grandmother, but she didn't want to stay here because she said that she cannot breathe here. I don't know why, but she said that she cannot breathe. So that's why my grandmother stayed there. She have a small house that she wanna stay there, like old house like before ba. So there, so no one will stay here. So that's why I put here things only. So Opsayo will stay here. So, the second room is for my 3 brothers. So, he will stay here. My 3 brothers. So, there is the room. His room. So, the last room, so, my room. So, here is my foam, my bed, and then, there. So, that table, I put table here because I am a student, so I will study there. And then that's all. La. Nagunsa ka? Ha? Ha? Oh. Oh. Daghan kwarta. So. Nya. Ano na ko'y pangutanan nimo? I have a question for you. So, unsay feelings nimo? Unsay imong kuan karon? Okay ra ka? Ha? So that's why he is 13 years old and he is still a grade 5 student because when I am in Maynila, my father did not allow to go to school to all my brothers. So when I come back here in Cebu, I am so happy. They are so happy. That's why they are so happy because they can go to school na. So are you going? Asa ka? Are you going? Tawag ka? So your ate Krishami will call you. So go. Okay. For all that I already introduced my family and tour my house. So thank you so much everyone and God bless everyone. Bye bye.